Hi, good evening. Good evening, everybody. Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 19. See how time flies. Hi, Amit. Nice to see you every day. Hello, Beena. Sanjeev ji, namaskar. Hope everybody is doing okay. How's everybody doing? Namaste, Manish ji. Hello, Nirali. Mamta ji. Hi, Amit. Nishad, good evening. Namaste, Deep. Satya. Hello, Amol ji. How are you? So we'll just wait for another 2 minutes and then we'll begin. Hello, Ishwar. Mamta ji. Nishad. Nice to see all of you once again. Dilip ji, namaste. Hello, Sneh. Good evening, Suresh. Good evening, Ujwala. Abhijit. I see a lot of familiar faces today. Thank you for being here every evening. Hello, Sudhir, Suresh ji, Vivek. Hello, Amit ji, how are you? Sujit, Pandurang ji, good evening. Good evening, Vinaya. Hello, Rajni. Rahul, Aditya, how are you? Nice to see all of you. Good evening, Veena. Pawan. It's my pleasure, Veena. Sandhya ji, namaste. Shravanti, how are you? Good evening, Joy, how are you? Amit bhai. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for being here every day. It just inspires me to come again and again. Hello, Padma ji, Sunita ji. Yes, Amit. Triveni, how are you? Radha, Gopal. Hi, Dharmendra. Wonderful, wonderful, awesome. Today is a Sunday night. Okay, wonderful. We'll just wait for another 1 minute and then we'll begin, okay? So yesterday we talked about money and the mind, the subconscious mind and the money connection. Was there some realization out of that as to why things are happening the way they are happening in your life, especially in the financial life? Hello Shweta. Thank you for being in the workshop. I hope you're enjoying the workshop as well. Thank you, Rajni. Great. So all of you, yesterday there were so many people who were enthusiastic about changing their money programming and the financial blueprint. So we decided what is a better time to start doing this than the lockdown. So we immediately decided to launch our Millionaire Mind program for the very first time, and we're going to do it from Thursday onwards. So it is going to happen from the coming Thursday, which I believe is going to be, today is the 12th, 13th, 16th onwards. So it's going to be on 16, 17, 18, 19. So this is a program which will help you to break through all your money limitations so that you can bring more prosperity, more joy, more abundance into your life. It is only because of our limiting beliefs that we stop abundance from coming into our life. And even if it comes, we're not able to retain it. आता है और जाता है, पैसा आता है और जाता है, somehow टिकता ही नहीं है. So take advantage of this opportunity if you can, because Millionaire Mind program अभी बहुत टाइम से हम नहीं कर पाए, तो मौका मिला है तो हमको लगा चलो हम ऑनलाइन कर लेते हैं so that everybody can take the benefit. Great, I think we have enough people, so we will start. And today's topic is how to be a mindful parent. I think a lot of you have been asking me questions on, sir, give us some parenting tips, recommend some books, and a lot of you are very young people. Some of you are just about becoming parents, or you will probably become parents in the future. Some of you are already parents. So I wanted to share a few tips on how you can be a wonderful and make sure that your child is growing to be a wonderful human being, somebody who is happy, healthy, peaceful, successful, and using his highest potential. Okay? So let me begin with asking all of you a question. What do most parents want from their children? What are they looking for from their children? नमस्ते रितु जी. जनरली हम पेरेंट्स क्या चाहते हैं बच्चों के लिए? So I'll just wait for some answers. हम क्या चाहते हैं बच्चों से, या हम अपने बच्चों के लिए क्या चाहते हैं? हेलो मनीषा, मोना जी. Okay, I'm just waiting for some answers. What do you want for your children? Okay, you want them to be a good person, they want to be them successful, you want them to have a good character. Good evening, Sanjeev ji. You want them to have a secure life. We're also looking for them to get good grades. Yes, sir, I saw you coming in. You want them to study well, behave well, become a good human being, respect everyone, to be intelligent, to smart, proactive, for them to have a bright future, value-based education, do good things in life, to become a better human being and become successful in everything in life, to follow their dream, become happy, looking for, you want them to have a better tomorrow, be obedient, be disciplined, successful, So, all of us have a very good intention for children and we put in our best. And yet, we are not able to get the results that we want. Very few parents are actually able to get all the things that you're looking for. कुछ पेरेंट्स को कुछ मिलता है, दूसरे पेरेंट्स को कुछ और मिलता है. किसी को बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस भी होते हैं. कभी कभी बच्चे सुनते नहीं हैं बिकॉज देर आर सो मैनी पीपल टू द वर्ल्ड. बी अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग, हैप्पीनेस, संस्कार, ये सब चाहिए हमें. हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे कामयाब हो, खुश हो, अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़े, एक अच्छा इंसान बने, अच्छा कैरेक्टर हो, दुनिया में कुछ बदलाव लाए. वी ऑल वांट दिस. But how many parents are really successful in getting all of this for their children? In spite of doing so much for the children. Parents कितनी मेहनत करते हैं. They do all kinds. They in fact go beyond what they can even afford for their children. But you see, there are so many parents who keep coming and telling me, sir, my child doesn't listen to me. उसको कोई clarity नहीं है लाइफ में क्या करना है, पता नहीं क्या करना चाहता है, आजकल तो बात भी नहीं करता, मेरे साथ गुस्सा करता है. So while we are looking for something, we are getting something else. Why does this happen? Because personal intention. We obviously wanted our children to be happy. We want them to be successful. We want them to grow in life, do all of that. And yet, there are very few parents who are really successful in what they really want. So I will go back to right from the time the child was born. और ये गड़बड़ कहाँ हुई और क्यों हुई और उसको फिक्स करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं. Now if you remember your day one when your baby very pure, cute, absolutely God's creation, परफेक्ट क्रिएशन. वो बच्चा इतना प्यारा था, ना उसके अंदर कोई गुस्सा था, ना कोई टेंशन था, ना कोई स्ट्रेस था, ना कोई ऐसी बात थी कि मैं सुनूंगा नहीं. सिंपल, नो थॉट्स एट ऑल, जस्ट एग्जिस्टिंग एंड जस्ट लविंग इटसेल्फ. इतना सुंदर बच्चा था. तो उस बच्चे को जिसने परमात्मा ने इतना बढ़िया बनाया था, इतना सुंदर बनाया था, उसको क्या हुआ? बिकॉज अगर परमात्मा ने हमें वो बच्चा दिया था और आज वो बच्चा कुछ और है, responsible for making the child what he or she is today. So we'll say that mostly parents will say, I did my best. मेरे अपने कैपेसिटी से भी ज़्यादा किया, सब कुछ किया, लेकिन फिर भी उसने नहीं किया तो मैं क्या करूं. सो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट स्टेप रियली हियर विच वी अगर बच्चे में कुछ जो आप चाहते हो वो नहीं है तो कहीं ना कहीं हमने गलती की है, जाने अनजाने में. इट इज़ नॉट पर्पसली, बट जाने अनजाने में हमने कुछ तो गलती की है जिसकी वजह से ये हुआ. और इसलिए हमें ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ बीइंग माइंडफुल. ओके, एंड व्हाई माइंडफुल पेरेंटिंग इज अ सॉल्यूशन टू द